This is a tutorial of how to share and create markups in Fieldmaps. So right now I'm in the BT field editing group where I have maps that are created for offline field collecting. So I'm going to go into just any one here. When you go to the layers view, you will see these first 3 layers deal with all the markups. So I have one labeled test, one for Washera, and one I was working on for Fond du Lac. You have to have at least one markup in a field map. So if you want to delete all 3 of these, you will have to create a new one in order to be able to delete all these 3. So when you go into these 3 dots in the side, you can go to your markup layer to begin working in it. But to know which layer you are on, go back to the markup layers and you'll see I'm in Fond du Lac, which is appropriate for the map that I'm in. One of the things to understand is that your markups are yours. They are not something automatically shared with anyone viewing these maps. And the markup it permeates all of the map views. So even though I may have intended to mark up something just for Washera, if I go to Fond du Lac, I will see markups for other counties. So as you see here, I have a markup for another county still showing in Fond du Lac's view, but it doesn't seem to pertain to the data. But we can go here and see how it does make sense in this map. Everything seems to add up. Now, when you want to share a markup, go up to the icon here, hit markup. So now you know you are in that layer. Here you have 4 different options. You can share markup layer, and this seems like the intuitive option, but this is mainly meant for sharing markups in Explorer or Field Collector, which are old programs that Fieldmaps has absorbed the capabilities for. So sharing a markup layer is something that is not really valid for us here. There are a few ways. If you want to share a markup to be able to add to a map, you're going to want to do share to online, and you can decide if you'd like the organization to view it, or in this group you can decide that you want it to go to other specific groups, and then you would hit the check mark. And in this way, then the markup becomes a layer that can be pulled into any other map online or in a pro project. For the most ease of use option, if you're going to share to email and you just want to communicate information quickly, is to share a screenshot of the image. And this you can go right into your email and it shares it right here as an attachment.